have to avenge the blood of every Muslim brother. Every child must just the border. Jews have to erase from the world map. We want to take revenge on each. The blood, the defeat of the Jews is granted. All Muslim countries should be declared aware by combining. The government of Bangladesh should make a free visa because we want to sacrifice our lives. Mohammed bin Salman, President of Saudi Arabia, should take a step against Israel. Otherwise, the next program will be arranged because of his resignation letter.